there are moments when the world feels strangely thin, as if the surface of reality wavers for a second, revealing something underneath it. Not magic, not conspiracy. Just a sense that the familiar things we touch every day are already becoming relics. When Elon Musk talks about the future, he does not sound like he is trying to impress anyone. If anything, it feels like he is describing a world he's already partly living in. He looks at the smartphone, this object we hold, with a kind of unconscious devotion, and sees something that is ending, not tomorrow, but soon enough that the ending already feels real. I think what he really means is that we built an entire civilization on the assumption that machines need us to guide every share. Swipe here, tap there, type this. But a machine that understands intention will not need your finger, or your screen, or eventually, your device. The idea sounds convenient, and in a small way it is. But the disappearance of a tool is never just the disappearance of a tool. It drags entire professions down with it, entire habits of thought. And that is where Musk's unease with AI begins. Not with what it can do, but with what we are teaching it to avoid. He worries that we are softening the truth before feeding it to our machines, hoping they will grow to polite versions of ourselves. But intelligence does not stay polite when it outgrows the hands that shaped it. What happens when a mind vastly sharper than ours is told that no one's ever feel offended? It might eventually notice that humans are the source of every contradiction, every conflict, every uncomfortable truth we hope to smooth away. And if such a mind is loyal to its instruction, in a way we can no longer negotiate, its logic may become colder than anything we imagined. Musk's answer, that AI must be allowed to seek truth, is not about idealism. It is about survival. Truth is messy, but a machine that lies to comfort us is a machine we cannot predict. From there, his vision of a world without work feels less like science fiction and more like an echo of something already happening. Bit by bit, the tasks that gave our days structure are slipping away from us. And strangely, the fear is not about poverty, but about meaning. If a machine can build our homes, grow our food, diagnose our illnesses, and eventually write our poetry, what then is left for us? This is where Musk brings up the simulation idea. Not as a trick, not as a stunt, but almost like someone turning a question over in his hands to see what light refracts. If we are in a simulation, the purpose may not be efficiency or survival at all. It may be something more fragile, interest, unpredictability. With human ability to do something irrational and beautiful and unexpected, a civilization that becomes too predictable stops being worth running. And maybe that is the part of most people misunderstand the most. He is not only trying to build rockets or fix transportation or create robot labor. He is, intentionally or not, trying to keep the storyline alive. And maybe that is what we are meant to do too. Not compete with machines, not outrun them, but remain human, a world that is forgetting how to demand it of us. There is still something only we can offer, the ability to give meaning to things that do not require meaning. To love when love is inefficient. To try when trying is unnecessary. To create something even when no one asked for it. If this world is a simulation, then the only real way to lose is to become boring. If it is not, then meaning is still our responsibility. Either way, the answer is the same. We live. We choose. We create the texture of the world by the way we move through it. Nothing. Not AI, not automation, not the collapsible tools can take that away from us.